160,000 RPM, that blows my mind.
So this shows how Tongtai can do a little bit of everything.
I literally have never seen that before. Oh man, this is the building right here. 600 employees, over 150 engineers working away. Crazy machinery, crazy technology. We're at Tongtai Machine Tools in Taiwan, baby. Let's go. 160,000?
Yes.
Six spindles.
6 spindles on one machine.
All going at the
All
same
working
time.
same time.
Wow. This is absolutely insane right here. So 160,000 RPMs, PC board machines. Look at how fast. Tongtai, incredible machines. And they do all types of machines, horizontals, lathes, PC, drilling, milling machines. 6 spindles going off all at the same time. 160,000 RPM, that blows my mind. Crazy. So this machine is crazy right here. So this is crazy automation right here. So you got a dual spindle, dual turret, and then you got the automation on the top that basically is loading the parts. So it's a gantry style automation. They act like robots where they basically come down, load and unload the trucks. And then when the parts come over, you have a robot in here, and the robot is basically inspecting the parts. And then if the part is not good, like these are tight tolerances, then it actually goes right here, no go. See that right there, no go? If it's good, then it pops on the other side. It basically goes with all the rest of the parts that met spec. All right, so now they even actually do laser here at Tongtai. This machine right here is incredibly fast, and the whole diameter, hey, don't run away, Arthur, come over here, come over here. So we're talking under 4,000 diameter.
Yes.
So 1/10 of a millimeter on the other side. Now we're talking half of that. So it's under 2,000, like 0.002 on like English, right?
Yes.
So millimeter, what would that be?
The 0.05 millimeter.
Incredibly small.
Yes.
And how many holes in a minute can this drill?
It will be 40,000 holes in a minute. Yeah.
40,000 holes.
Yes,
like
by
that's
laser.
that's crazy right there.
It's super
40,000 holes with the laser.
Yes.
I literally have never seen that before. So you got like the pallet over here, pallet on the inside, super strong foundation over here. You got 8 pads, but you only need 3 pads to level it. The accuracy is incredible. Built like a tank over here. You know, I think a lot of people, especially in the US, you haven't heard of Tongtai, but they're amazing machines, and hear about the foundations coming from the Hitachi Seiki, which has an incredible name in the machine tool industry. Hitachi Seiki doesn't exist anymore, but that Japanese way of manufacturing, how they actually made their machines, lives on right here at Tongtai. And a lot of people copied certain things from Hitachi Seiki, but the foundations, the roots were from here, right here at Tongtai, because they were instrumental in Tongtai forming as a company and building machine tools, period. They started together.
I think that the original guy that came to Taiwan, they came to build sewing machines and things in Taiwan when Japan was involved. And Mr. Yoshi then was going to go back to Japan, and they said, please, can we make a manufacturing facility? And that is when they started, only with special purpose machines, just special purpose machines, and they worked on them. And from there they started going up. So you had piston machines, you know, pistons have to be oval in a motor car. They made those machines in the 1980s, and they built from there, coming forward. And that is where this base comes from. So
Awesome.
it's not copy and paste. It is when they built a vertical lathe, they went to a company in Japan and got all the documentation from them and built it according to that standard. And then through the years upgraded it. And in 1996 we had a complete vertical line with robotics in between, running a complete brake disc line.
Awesome.
fully
Very
automated
cool. Yeah.
at that
Very
point
cool.
already. So on this particular machine, you'll see we have two spindles. So this machine will end up being a multi-axis machine. So you'll have your main spindle will have a C-axis. You'll have your X, Y, and Z with your turret, which will have driven tools. You'll have a sub-spindle, which will be axis, but also it will have a C-axis. And then on your tools, because you can thread mill and you can tap, it will also have basically an axis inside that tool. So you're going to have one there, three there, two here, and another two or three on the turret.
How precise are these castings? When everything gets like, when everything's perfect and you start adding everything, what kind of tolerances is it?
The main tolerance for all the people in Tongtai is to get down to 3 micron level.
3 microns.
3 microns.
That's incredible.
These spindles will be 3 micron inside, will not be outside of 3 micron.
Awesome.
When you measure.
And they build their own spindles right here in-house.
Yes, everything is built in-house, and they not only built the spindle, but they balance them, they do everything with the spindle. So
Beautiful.
it's fully done, including built-in spindles with the electric motor built in is also made here and done here.
We're at Changshu University. One of the cool things about this university is they have 5 manufacturing plants in the university. This is just one of them. But if you actually look, there are 50% curriculum where they're teaching the students how to actually manufacture. So they're teaching the students in a functioning shop with real world parts that actually go to customers that help fund the entire program, which is awesome. Come over here, nice, a lot of 5-axis. Come on this side, 5-axis, they got the robot. They're all Tongtai machines, or they're companies that are owned in part by Tongtai. And Siemens, hey, what's up to our friends at Siemens right here? They use a lot of your controls, which are the best controls.
Here is the training and examination studio of the university. So the students here can be trained and also pass the examination to get the certificate from the government. So we can see some, for example, some students from Southeast Asia. They also have a training program here as a foreign exchange program for mechanical engineering and machining. This is the head of the laser cladding. The laser and the metal powder can be ejected through the head and add the material on the workpieces. And then we can change to the milling spindle and finish the milling jobs on the same machine.
Very cool. How are you?
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yes.
How old is the program?
This program is also already run for at least 20 years.
20 years. So as old as this was maybe one of the first machines since it's
Yes,
about 20
from
years old.
Tongtai, yes.
Yeah?
From Tongtai, yes.
Very cool. And then you guys have about 1,500 students.
Yes.
And then it's mostly engineering. So they engineer, let's say learn how to manufacture.
Yes.
Very good.
From this machine, and we train a lot of students, and all the students go for industry and help Taiwan to go for business for the
Very,
world.
very cool. Very cool. And what do you do here?
I'm the teacher, I'm the professor for the department.
Over
of
the whole
mechanical
program?
engineering. Yes.
Very, very good. Congratulations. I love
Thank you
I love
for
the
coming.
technology. I love the machines that you guys have. There's such a nice variety of machines
Yes.
and they're high level.
Yes.
You know, we see a lot of schools that they have basically 3-axis machines and that's it. And I always say that 3-axis is great, but it's almost obsolete. You need to go 5-axis. You need to go more multi.
Yes.
Yeah. You need to do more. And then engineers, they teach engineers how to design, but they don't teach them. Not every
For the
school teaches them how to
manufacturing,
manufacture.
For the real steel, for the
Exactly.
industry and necessary.
Exactly. You got to know how to manufacture so you can design
Yes.
and make it cost
and feedback
effective
to
to
the
make the
designer
part.
department and to make the right design for the
Yes.
industry necessary.
Exactly. Thank you so much for everything. You're such a gracious host. Thank you so much for the hospitality.
提供提供提供头 Titan。